What is Webflow? Webflow is an innovative web design and development platform that makes it easier than ever to create and manage your own website. It combines the power of a professional website editor with the convenience of a drag and drop interface, allowing you to quickly create your own designs without needing to know any code. With Webflow, you can customize virtually any element on your page, from colors and fonts to layouts and animations, in just a few clicks. Additionally, Webflow also offers powerful tools for creating custom CMS-driven content, such as blogs or portfolios. You can also connect your site to other services like Google Analytics or MailChimp for further customization and optimization of your website. All in all, Webflow is an incredibly useful platform that allows anyone to easily create their own highly customized websites with ease. How do I start learning Webflow? Learning Webflow is a great way to become a web designer and create stunning websites. The best way to start learning Webflow is to review the tutorials available on their website. These tutorials will give you an in-depth understanding of the basics of web design and how to use the Webflow platform. Additionally, the Webflow forum is an excellent place to ask questions or search for answers from other users who have already mastered the platform. Finally, there are many online courses available that will help you gain a deep understanding of all aspects of web design as well as how to use Webflow effectively. With some dedication and practice, anyone can learn how to use this powerful platform and create amazing websites.